In this video I have 1 over cosecant theta plus 1 over cosecant theta minus 1 equals to 2 times secant squared theta times sine theta. So I start from the left hand side. Cosecant is the inverse of sine. So I write it like that. I just convert cosecant to sine. Then next step, I will have the common denominator between these two, 1 over sine theta plus sine theta over sine theta plus 1 over here, 1 over sine theta. I do the same thing here, sine theta over sine theta. So basically I change the 1 to sine theta over sine theta. Why did I use sine theta? Because the denominator of the other fraction is sine theta as well. So then I do the addition, which will be 1 plus sine theta plus here 1 minus sine theta. Now we have fraction inside another fraction, so that can go on top. So it will be sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta plus sine theta divided by 1 minus sine theta. Again, we have addition with different denominators, so I need to do common denominator again. So sine theta, we need to multiply by 1 minus sine theta plus sine theta 1 plus sine theta. Okay, now we have in denominator we have 1 minus sine squared theta. Here I have sine theta times 1 minus sine theta times sine theta, which is sine squared theta. Here I have sine theta times 1, which is sine theta, and here sine theta times sine theta, it will be sine squared theta. These two, as you see, can cancel each other, one of them positive, one of them negative. And then I will have 2 sine theta divided by 1 minus sine squared theta, which I can write cosine squared theta. 1 minus sine squared theta equals to cosine squared theta. Then I separate it. We have 1 over cosine squared theta sine theta. So 1 over cosine is secant, so we here have cosecant squared theta, and here we have sine theta. That's exactly what you saw here on the right hand side.